In this video, I'm going to be going through all of the new features I've added into MartiDoc and how you can start using this tool to turn your documents into customers. One of the first things I've done is I made the sales page more focused on the core result that MartiDoc should be used for, which is creating documents and turning those documents into customers. I've added a ton of different features, so let's go through each one. I will walk you through how it can be used to start turning documents into clients. So we're going to go to a document that we've created. One of the first things I want to show is I've added a shortcut to our keyboards for better streamlining. On my keyboard, if I do Control and /, this will open up a quick switcher, which will show all of the other documents in my account, and you can either click it to quickly switch or click open in a new tab, which will open it up in another tab for you. When we're working, we just want to work really fast, so this is a super nifty feature. I've also added a Control and S feature, which will quickly save the document for you, and then you have all of the other shortcuts that we know, like bold and italic, etc. In today's set of updates, I've done a lot of focusing on the ads feature. So first, when we click on ads, we can add banners to the top or bottom of our documents. If I turn that on, we can say offer end today, change the colors if we want, enable countdown timer, pick a date, and then save. Now those banners will be added to the page, but I want to make this incredibly useful. So what I've done, if we go back to ads, we now have an option saying redirect on expiry. So if I enable this, we have different options. If you just want to show a custom message like sorry, this offer has ended, we can add that in, do save changes, and we can then preview it. When this offer expires, it will actually send them to this dynamic page that's created. Let me go ahead and change this. It's actually expired, so I'll just do save changes, and now I'm going to make this public so I can share the link with anyone. And now if we open up a different browser that we've not logged in, enter the URL, and you can see the dynamic page, sorry, this offer has ended, will show. If I go back into ads, I can then change that to capture leads and name email, do save, and then refresh, and now it will show a capture form. If I just go ahead, enter in some details and do submit, that will thank them. And if I close this now, refresh the page, we now have a new option called leads that will show that information, and also on the dashboard we'll get a notification here that will tell us which documents have been generating leads and how many. We can quickly navigate, see them here, and then we can also delete them, and that leads button will go once you have no leads. You can also do a custom direct link, for example, save changes, go back here, redirect, and it will redirect to that page. I've added a new feature called email creator. I can click on email creator, choose what sort of tone I want, and then do purpose and decide what sort of intent the email should have. I can give it further guidelines and generate. And this will now understand what's happening in this document and then create you an email that you can copy and paste straight into your email provider. Those were the core updates. MartiDoc. I've left the link in the description if you want to try it out. Thank you for watching.